Hi my dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a super fun Call Me Bae inspired makeup look. I have been binge watching the show, guys. The fashion, the characters, the drama, everything is on point. And of course we have to talk about Bae's flawless look while recreating one of her signature styles. Alright guys, enough with the intro, now let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna use the Maybelline primer. I actually liked watching the show, to be honest. After a couple of episodes, it did get like kind of boring. She's got this major diva energy, but she also goes through such real character growth. Like at one point of time, she's like, I don't do basic. And next, she's just learning how to navigate the real life. She's super fashionable, but at the same time, she's got this very sweet side of her, which I just absolutely love. Okay, next for foundation, I am going to mix two products together. The first one is this K-Beauty Primer Drops. And then I am going to mix it with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I'm in the shade 3W1 Tawny. I love the supporting characters in this show. They were absolutely amazing. Oh my god, the chemistry between the love interest and her, you can actually feel the chemistry. It's so intense. I also love the other girl who was her best friend and who was a gambler. I feel like she's super talented. And besides everything, what I love most and why I wanted to do this video today is because I love her makeup. It's always on point. She's got that rich girl vibe, but it's relatable. I feel like Estee Lauder always dries out my skin, and I don't know if it's just me or if it's you too, like any of you feel like that. Please let me know in the comment section. Oh my god, I've got such a small forehead. I love the coverage of the foundation. For my concealer, I'm just gonna use the Sugar Magic wand. I love this concealer. I've been just using this since the longest time now, and I'm gonna blend it with my brush. I don't even remember where I got this brush from, but it just blends the concealer beautifully. Next for my powder, I'm gonna use the Forever 52 Banana Luxury Powder. I think this has got the perfect blend of yellow for the under eye area. I'm just gonna bake it a little bit today. You know, my pet peeve is whenever I use any product, I just put it back the way it was. I can't just keep them lying, you know, without the cap or without anything. It's just no. Just lightly dab my under eye area so that it sits on my concealer really well and it doesn't move. I know this part is looking a little bit more yellow than the usual, like than the rest of the face, but I promise it's just gonna go away. For my eyebrows, I've been constantly using this Lakme Micro Brow Perfector, and I absolutely love. And there's actually nothing much to show what I do for my eyebrows. It's just that I fill in the blanks. That's it. Yeah, on her eyelids and around, like feel like she's wearing some golden thing on her eyes. I'm going to take the City Mini palette from Maybelline. This was in the shade Brooklyn Orange. I am going to use this shade for my crease. I'm sorry guys, I'm looking at the monitor. I'm not looking at the lens. I have to keep this in mind. Just look at the lens. You feel more connected when I talk to you like this, right? Not look at my lens. I'm going to take this PAC 393 brush and I'm just going to dip this product and apply it in the crease of my eyes. Just very clean. Just a little bit. I'm feeling a little too lazy to switch my brush, so I'm just using this brush. Feel free to switch your brush. I just swatched a couple of eyeshadows and I feel like this one is the closest, and the one that I'm going to use right now is the City Mini palette again from Maybelline, and it's the Rooftop Bronzes. I am going to use this shade. This is a really beautiful golden, like it's got a very soft subtle sheen. It looks very elegant. And I'm also going to use this on my bottom. I'm also going to use this on my bottom lash line. Now for my liner, I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal Liner. I've used a lot of liner, guys, but this one is actually my favorite. It's the blackest black I've seen. Now the problem is I don't have a mirror right in front of my face. The mirror is down there. Can you see this? It's like parallel to this height, so it's going to be a little difficult for me. Please bear with me. And probably I'll just bend down and just do the wing and then come back. Okay guys, thank you so much for being so understanding. I'm done with my eyeliner. It was just a patla eyeliner, just with a minimal wing. That's all you need to do. For the mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Panorama Mascara. I absolutely love this mascara, guys. It just makes my eyelashes look very natural, yet it just lengthens it a lot. Guys, I just put on some lashes because I feel like this look was incomplete without the lashes. The lash I used is from Swiss Beauty. It's the 3D Studio Effect eyelash. And if you want, you can just skip the lashes. I'm going to use the Sugar D4's face palette in the shade Subtle Summit, and I am going to use this bronzing shade. So I'm just going to contour a little bit and just contour my cheekbones, my nose, and my jawline. That's all I'm going to contour. Next, for the blush, I am going to use the K-Beauty matte blush. This is in the shade Sugar Candy, and I'm going to apply it on my cheeks. Not too much, just a little bit, just a hint of color on the nose too and the chin. I am going to use a MAC lipstick. This is in the shade Ruby Woo, and this is my favorite red ever, like ever. So I'm just gonna apply it on my lips, obviously. Ooh, I love how matte it is and how it just is true to all skin shades actually. For the highlighter, I'm gonna use Mary Luminizer. It's got to be my favorite highlighter. And I'm just going to highlight all the high points of my face, like my cheekbones, my nose, chin, and my brow bone area, and also the inner corners of my eyes. But for that, I am going to use a different brush. Just a little sparkle, a little shine in the inner corners of your eyes. And wow, we got our Bae ready. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and love this look. If you did, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I absolutely ended up loving this look. Do try it out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.